Hey everyone, the Magic Gamer here, and today I'm back with another video. For today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a checkerboard on the Rubik's Cube. So what you want to do first is take the left or the right and the left sides. You want to turn them twice, either way. So then you want to take the top and the bottom and turn them either way twice also. And then what you want to do is turn the front twice and the back twice, and either way, and you'll have a checkerboard on each sides of the Rubik's Cube. So this is the Magic Gamer, and I am signing out. Goodbye.